I'm ready. क्या सीखा तुमने? Java और थोड़ा DSA. Are you sure? What do you mean?
You're not going to lose your job to AI. You're going to lose your job to somebody who uses AI.
तो क्या AI मुझे रिप्लेस करेगा? So क्लास शुरू करें? Hi everyone, I'm Techie Glam Girl and I've been coding professionally for over 6 years now. But lately, everyone's asking the same scary question. Will AI replace programmers? Let's face it, the headlines are brutal. In 2023 and 2024, over 425,000 tech workers were laid off globally. Yes, 425,000. These weren't just entry-level interns. We're talking about full-stack engineers, backend specialists, and even AI researchers. Let's go by the biggest names in tech. Meta, Google, Amazon. World Economic Forum predicts by 2025, 85 million people will lose their jobs due to AI and automation. Tech giants are rapidly adopting AI tools that can write entire apps in minutes. Let me show you what I mean. Using AI tool VO to build a fitness app quickly. Can you see that? In less than 5 minutes, AI wrote code that would take most developers hours, if not days. Scary, right? But wait, don't panic yet. Let's break this down clearly into 4 crucial chapters, जिसके end में आप खुद decide करोगे if AI will take your job or not. Chapter 1. Are skills enough? When I say skills, it's not about degrees and certifications. It's about real practical expertise. काम आना चाहिए actual way. You need to excel at something. AI just doesn't write hello world anymore. It integrates with APIs, optimizes your SQL, and debugs JavaScript all on the fly. So here's the real question. If your skill is writing syntax and AI does that faster, what are you offering that's actually human? Now you have to think about the market as well. If you're really good at a skill, but the market suddenly decides that they don't need you, then it's making you easily replaceable. Think about Flash developers. Back in early 2000s, Flash was huge. But when HTML5 came in, Flash गया market से और इनका skill भी. Same with the mainframe developers. Super valuable at once, पर नए tech के आने के बाद demand बहुत कम हो गई है. Moral of the story is not about mastering a skill. It's about mastering the right skill. Chapter 2. Will AI replace IT jobs? In IT, developments are done faster and implemented faster. By late 2024, over 180,000 software-related jobs were cut in the US alone. Why? Because companies realized AI could replace entire dev teams for prototyping and bug fixing. In Western countries especially, everything is getting automated. Change is coming. Consistently, but at a slower pace. It's not a matter of if IT sector will change. It's about when it will change. Even Mark Zuckerberg said this during a company all hands in 2024. In the future, we won't need 10 engineers for a task. Maybe just one with AI. That's not just a code. That's a roadmap for you. Coding has become like following a recipe. Tools like ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot write code faster than humans. If you're doing what Copilot can do, your job isn't safe. But if you're the person building with Copilot, integrating models, or fine-tuning AI to your use case, you're not replaceable. McKinsey's 2025 report कहता है, by 2030, nearly half of the routine coding will be automated. But roles needing creativity and decision-making will grow fast. Chapter 3. How not to get replaced by AI. Look closely at this title. End of programming as we know it. At first glance, you think it's about end of programming. We are going to get replaced. But as we see closely, it's not about end of programming. It's about a simple transformation. Today, you cannot be just coders. Business logic समझ के syntax को याद करके code लिख दिया, खत्म. No, you need to be an architect. You need to architect the entire system. You can understand business problems and design solutions and innovate the entire project structure. Here's what that looks like. You need to master LLM. Using AI tools for code refactoring, automating deployment pipelines, thinking like a coder, architect, and system designer all at once, and keeping AI to do all the base work. But here's the problem. Most traditional tech courses still teach like it's 2010. 2 years of theory before you even touch anything real. That's why programs like Mirai School of Technology stand out. At Mirai School of Technology, you don't waste your first 2 years on just dry theory. From semester 1, you're coding in Python, C++, JavaScript, and working with real AI tools like Hugging Face, GitHub Copilot, and ChatGPT. You build AI projects from year 1, machine learning, NLP, computer vision, and generative AI. In year 3, you're eligible for a 6-month paid internship. Real AI work, real world prep. Plus, they provide access to Apple Lab, Sentient, Robotics Lab, and Quantum Hub. They also provide MacBook on admission for 24/7 access to AI tools. Additionally, mentorship from NANG experts, global exposure via GSOC, Imagine Cup, and Facebook Hackathon. Why does this matter? Because AI is changing every industry: healthcare, logistics, finance, you name it. And the winners will be the ones who don't just learn coding, they learn AI first development. So the eligibility for this is 12th pass with PCM, minimum 50%, and the deadline to apply is July 4th, 2025, and the mains test is July 5th, 2025. So hurry up. All the links are in the description below. Don't miss this. Remember, avoid mat karo. AI ko embrace karo. If AI is making programming more accessible, coding easier, doesn't mean it will replace developers. It just changes what being a developer actually means. Programming or coding is shifting from writing instructions to managing workflows, systems, and AI-powered agents. The future isn't about typing faster or memorizing syntax. It's about understanding how things fit together, how to react AI effectively, and how to make sure that final product doesn't collapse the moment it hits the production. People love saying AI will replace junior developers, but the opposite might be true. Junior developers who embrace AI tools can shift faster, explore broader ideas, and outperform seniors who are stuck with old habits. AI is not the death of software engineers' job. It's the death of stubborn engineers. AI isn't replacing developers. It's replacing boilerplate codes. It's replacing the normality of the way developers used to code. Chapter 4. The choice. We are also entering a new phase where entirely new roles are emerging. Greg Taylor talks about agent engineers who help companies build AI agents that understand business logic and user intent. Now you have a choice. It's like in the Matrix. Take the blue pill, hopefully nothing changes. You stay comfortable, keep working the way you always have, hoping that your job is not the one that is getting automated by AI next. You're not losing your job. Take the red pill. You realize that world is changing. You start seeing AI as not a threat, but as a tool. You learn how to work with it, build with it, stay ahead of it, and those who will never get replaced. Not now, not in the near future. Choice is yours. So which side of the future will you be on? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out Mirai School of Technology if you're serious about becoming an AI first step. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.